Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I am Gigi Faison, and today I am participating in the Trash to Treasure thrift flip hosted by Domestic Diva DIY, and her co-host is Sandra from the Schowins Nest. Now what I'm going to share with you today is two swags that I found at the consignment shop, and I am going to attach them together and create my front door wreath. So I have this garland here, and I think it's two pieces tied together like so here. So what I want to do, I think, is make me a front door swag. So I'm going to take it apart and remove the items that are on the inside, or the items that have been used to decorate this, and I'm going to rework it. And I think I want to make this and use it on my front door as my front door swag for this year. Instead of putting a wreath on the front door, I think I'll use this and make a swag. So yeah, this is what it's looking like here. I'm gonna remove the bulbs. Yeah. I think I want to remove the cotton balls. I don't want the cotton balls, but I do want this. So it's little berries. Alright you guys, I'm going to get to work on this and see if maybe I can find something else to use with this, or if I'm going to go with this. You'll have to see at the reveal. Here are the two swags, and I'm actually removing the old ribbon from it, and I am going to disassemble it by removing the ornaments. And this is what it looks like right now. It has the pine cones, and I actually found this at the consignment shop for $1.50. I thought it was a great price, even just for the greenery, for the garland, for the swag, whatever you choose to call it. That was an awesome price. Hey you guys, what you see me doing here is just tying the two pieces together to create a one-piece swag, and then I will just continue to decorate it until I get it to the point of satisfaction. I am going to flip this trash into some major treasure. Hey guys, you see here how thick this garland is, and I don't know, I guess before maybe it was used on a maybe as, I don't know, it's like the two were together, so maybe on a fireplace mantle or something, but I could see how it could be used on a mantle. It is very thick, very beautiful garland. So I'm basically going to tie everything together to make it stable, and I'm going to fix it up for my front door. This is what I have envisioned when I saw it. I was like, this looked like it would be great for a front door swag wreath. So I'm working on it. And you guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, then you already know that you are welcomed, loved, and appreciated here. A special thanks to Sonja, the Domestic Diva DIY, and Sandra from the Schowins Nest for putting on this creative type of event. So what I'm doing here, you guys, is actually playing around with the picks that I purchased to create my wreath. And I'm not sure if I want to keep the little cotton balls on the end. I'm going for a different look, so I may end up pulling those off, but I will not throw them away, because you know, when you're crafting, every little piece will count up, will mount up. You may not use it today, but you might use it the next time, so you don't really throw anything away. You just kind of sit it aside and wait until it's turn to use it. So I think I'm going to pull the little cotton balls off. I think that's where I'm going right now. So here you guys, it looks like I'm dumpster diving, but I'm not. This is some old garland that I had, and I just kind of laid it across my trash can because I am going to remove some of the sprigs from this piece of garland here and add it into my swag. So also, this is the ribbon that I will be including. This is the mesh, some ties that I'll be using. Also, the scissors. Couldn't find my regular scissors, so I had to use those fancy ones here. Using some Gorilla Glue to glue in the sprigs that I removed from the garland. My wire cutters, my old faithful glue gun, and some glue sticks. And I also used the some wire to tie everything down, and I failed to include that in here. But I am working on this wreath, and I am going to have it to my satisfaction. Okay, you guys, this is what it's looking like so far. You see, I've added the little sprigs in there. I've added my mesh. I've added my ribbon. I've got everything tied down. You see the little berries. I did remove the cotton balls. I created a bow out of the ribbon that I had, and I've had this ribbon for such a long time. I don't know why I never used it before. I guess I never found anything that I wanted to use it on, but it's some beautiful ribbon. Okay, you guys, this is my final reveal, and as you can see here, I started out with the swags, and what I did was tie the two together and then just went in and decorated it adding the sprigs from an old piece of garland that I had that had the sprigs, and then I showed you earlier where I chose to remove the cotton balls from these picks here. So I've added these picks, removed the cotton balls. I've gone in and added some mesh, added an ornament here. Didn't want to put too many ornaments in because I had the ribbon that is beautiful, and I've had this ribbon for a few years, just never knew how I was going to use it. But as I was putting this together, I thought this would be perfect for this swag wreath here. And I've created a bow at the bottom there, and this is it. I am super excited. It is hanging on my front door, and I hope you guys will enjoy it as much as I enjoyed putting it together. I am going to try to nicely move you down so that you will be able to get the full view of it. And what a way to turn your trash into a treasure. I am super excited. Super excited. I paid her $1.50 for the two swags together from the consignment shop. And look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. I am super excited. What I'm sharing with you here is the felt that I added to the back because I did not want to scar up my door. So I've just added a piece of felt. I've glued it down. I've tied it down with some wire, and this garland is so thick. So yeah, it's tied down really good. So that's what I'm sharing with you here. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for checking in. If you are new to my channel and you would like to become a part of my family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified each and every time there is an upload here. A special thanks again to the host and the co-host. Their information will be left in my description box below, along with the playlist of all of the other participants that will be flipping trash into a treasure. Be blessed, you guys. Happy holidays. Thank you so very much. You are greatly appreciated here on this channel. Be blessed, you guys, and take care. Thank you.